Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wrike integrations with Google Drive and Docs, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Wrike integrations with Google Drive and Docs, start by logging into your Wrike account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Management. Next, click on the Integrations tab in the left sidebar. Scroll down to find Google Drive and click on it. You will see an option to connect Google Drive and Docs. Click on the Connect button. A new window will open asking you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google credentials and grant necessary permissions for Wrike to access your Google Drive and Docs. After authorizing, you will be redirected back to your Wrike account. Now, you should see a confirmation that Google Drive is successfully connected. To use the integration, go to any Wrike task and click on the Attach button. Select Google Drive from the list of options. You will be able to browse your Google Drive directly from this menu. Choose the file or document you wish to attach and click on Select. The selected Google file will now be linked to your Wrike task. If you want to create a new Google Doc directly from Wrike, go to the task where you want it. Click on the Add button and select Google Docs. A new document will open in a separate tab. Name your document and start editing it directly. Once you save your changes, the document will automatically sync to your Google Drive. To access your Google Docs from Wrike in the future, simply return to the task where it was attached. You can update, share, or collaborate on the document as needed. In conclusion, the Wrike and Google Drive integration streamlines your workflow by allowing seamless access to documents. Enjoy enhanced productivity with this powerful combination of tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.